صلي وسلم دائما. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today is day 26 of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah. Oh my goodness. 4 more days. La ilaha illallah. Muhammad Rasulullah. Wow. That's crazy. Anyways, I just got back from praying Qiyamul Layl. It's about 2:10, and baby just went in for the second half, and I'm about to read my Quran, inshallah. And yeah, I'm excited for today though. Yesterday was thing Alpha's birthday, and we're going out to iftar today when I go to New York, inshallah. So happy birthday, Alpha. I wish you many, 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 many more years. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, make you the best among the deen, and guide you and grant you Jannatul Firdaus. You're getting so old, oh my God. Like, I literally, this morning, not this morning, yesterday morning, I guess, now that we're in 2 a.m. Yesterday morning, I got this notification from Facebook about like 5 years ago, me wishing him a happy birthday. I was like, my alpha is getting so grown, y'all. Anyways, y'all gonna see him in today's vlog. It's gonna be nice. We're going to, I think, BBQs and Dave and Buster's. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys will see where we end up at, inshallah. So stay tuned for this video. And yeah, anyways, let me stop wasting my time right now because I gotta read my Quran. Somebody's flashing me. I'll catch you guys at suhoor time, inshallah. So this is my suhoor for today. Some pancakes, some French toast, and some chicken tenders from IHOP. This was my leftover from yesterday. That we ate for iftar, and then it was left over. So it's literally the same days. It was just a few hours ago that we had iftar. I'm also having some coffee, and I'm having a latte from Dunkin' Donuts. Like, don't mind me. I wanted something hot and then also cold. And then I'm also gonna have some water. This whole one. Hopefully I could drink all of this liquid because I don't know why I be so thirsty these days. I don't know. But hopefully not today because I have a lot to do tomorrow since we're in New York. Okay. But anyways, let's go to the table since you know the time be flying now. It's raining today. Anyways, we're on our way to New York.
إنها مصبحين ولا يستثنون فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون فأصبحت كالصريم فتنادوا مصبحين أن اغدوا على حرثكم إن كنتم صارمين.
Hey guys, so I'm on my way to meet Babe for my driving lesson. It's about 3:46 right now. And I just passed by a guy, and he said something to me, and I chose to ignore him because why am I answering you? And then he gonna be like, why you not saying nothing, mommy? That's not nice. Like, why do I need to respond to you? Like, if you say something I don't need to respond to, like, why am I responding? It's only if I respond then there'll be a conversation, right? So I chose to ignore him. So, anyways, I'm gonna go to this driving license, and we're gonna leave at about 7 for the restaurant, inshallah. So I'll see you guys later. Okay. Um. So we are now leaving the house. Unfortunately, look at the time, guys. And we wanted to leave. I wanted to leave. Let me not say we. I wanted to leave like at 6:30, and these African people, like, I can't. 7:09. How are we gonna be able to break fast on time? And the turn is gonna take like, I don't even know how long, or whatever. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the restaurant, inshallah. The wait time is 45 minutes. So since it's about to hit Maghrib right now, so we're about to go into McDonald's. It's open, right? I hope. And get something to cut off fast with. I got a Coke to break my fast with. Yeah, hopefully that line is not that long because I'm legit not trying to wait. I'm hungry. Oh, red lobster smelling good. What? I can't even see me. I'm sorry. You passing my red lobster and it smells mad good. Oh my god. You know when you're fasting, everything smells good to you? Anyway, guys, it's time to cut. Ah! I missed it.
I know you missed it. Look, I got salsa though. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. You can do it. You can do it. I did it.
Sorry. You have to read the dua. Walaikum salam. Did you read the dua? Allahumma inni laka suntu
اللهم إني لك صمت
wa bika amantu
وبها آمنت
wa malaikata tawakkal wa ala rizqika after. Okay. Oh, Ya Rabbi, please make this line short. Please, I want my pina colada, period. Period. Oh my God, the line is long. The line is long. Hold on. Y'all see this? Oh, y'all can't see. Hold on. Oh my days. Yes. Thank you. Oh wow. It is. Thank you. Now it's the pina colada for me. Let's see. It's okay. This is great. Let me not finish this before the food comes.
You take one more sip.
You said you only tasting it, now you're talking about one more sip. This is the first one that came. Why is this the dangerous? You'll have to try that. I have to try that. Gotta try that. I'm sorry guys if I'm making you hungry, but mouth watering off. Y'all should have seen Apple's face just now. Somebody passed with a big plate of food, and Apple was saying, he said, "Yo." He went downstairs. Guys, not when every plate that's passing by is somebody else's food. Like, so when they see the shrimp that's here, everybody's looking at it. We're all gonna take one of Caesar's shrimp.
Oh, these boys are fat.
Yeah. That's not ours. That's not us, Alpha. Oh, it is. Lady. Y'all see that food though? Period. Oh, yours didn't come. Eh? So it's my food that didn't come? Or is that your food? Oh, that is mine. Oh, maybe yours was a little too. When my to go home play looks bomb. Looks like a whole meal. There's no way I was finishing this. I think everybody got to go home play. Everybody. Thank you. Happy birthday, Alpha. Alright guys, so we just finished eating. We're gonna go to Dave and Buster's now for some games hopefully. But I don't think it's gonna be for that long. Boston. Why did I think this was away? Like, it's gonna be away because period. I was not gonna do that whole tour. Okay, so we are going to Dave and Buster's right there across the street. Across the street. Come on, guys, come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Did you like the cake, Eva? Huh? You enjoyed it? Yeah. Bustin'. Oh, that's Applebee's line. I thought that was Dave and Buster's. I was about to be like, forget it. We're going there for the games, though. Is it? Is this not for Dave and Buster's? Oh, hell no.
Just hold on like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, it's really fast.
Okay. Bruh, the line that I thought was for Applebee's is for Dave and Buster's. You know, it's the same building, right? Baby! That ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. Alright, we have like 5 minutes. If it's not moving, we out. 5 minutes. We have to go back to Jersey and I gotta go to DIML. We might as well go home. We have to keep. No. Honestly. By the time we get in and y'all wanna go get Krispy Kreme donuts instead and just go home? I wanna play games. Remember, you I remember we walked all around the world for just to get nothing. What, the Krispy Kreme? Yes. Girl, we walking down to the Krispy Kreme, so it's fine. Because you can be trusted with directions too. Period. Anyways, I'll be back with you guys to let you guys know what we end up doing. If this line is moving, it's kind of moving, but it's too slow. Okay.
It's too slow. You just want to go home.
It's too slow. I don't. I wish I could stay the whole night, but I can't. So Dave and Buster's was a job because, you know, gotta go back to Jersey. And it's 10:34 right now, and we were still not in it. Hey guys, so we're about to go home right now, and after that, we're gonna go to my mom's actually, not home, and then whatchamacallit, and then we're gonna go to Jersey. Hopefully, we can make it to Guillermo because I didn't get to go to Tarawi today, so I really want to go to Guillermo. And I was so hyped today. I got to drive. I know.
Not weird.
My husband. But anyways, Alpha, did you have fun on your birthday?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Did you, or you just capping?
Yeah.
His phone cracked, y'all, and he mad about it, but it's okay. It's life. So today's reminder of the day is also another quote. Make dua for others so the angels can make dua for you. So since we're in the last 10 days of Ramadan, when you're making dua for yourself, just remember others, remember the Muslim community, remember your family members, remember every single body, okay? Every single person, and make dua for them. And literally, the angels will make dua for you as well. Say bye, guys. See you guys in my next video. Deuces.
Some people you find can take over your life.